brand new day. From sunrise whisper evening lights, a city spirit reaches new heights. Beneath the trees where the breezes play, Bengaluru wakes to a brand new day. From sunrise whisper evening lights, the city spirit reaches new heights. Bengaluru where dreams unfold, a city of wonder, a heart of gold. Through bustling streets and peaceful skies, Bengaluru rises where hope never dies. Hope never dies. हर कदम में है नई उड़ान, Bengaluru की है ये पहचान. In the heart of the south where cultures blend, Bengaluru thrives with no end. From modern tech to olden charm, the city holds you in its song. Bengaluru where dreams unfold, a city of wonder, a heart of gold. Through bustling streets and peaceful skies, Bengaluru rises where hope never dies. Hope never dies. In the heart of the south where cultures blend, Bengaluru thrives with no end. From modern tech to olden charm, this city holds you in its arm. Bengaluru where dreams unfold, a city of wonder, a heart of gold. Through bustling streets and peaceful skies, Bengaluru rises where hope never dies. रातों में सितारों का है खेल, Bengaluru की राहें हैं बेली रेल. With every sunset a promise renewed, Bengaluru journey ever pursued. In every face, in every song, this is the place where we belong. Bengaluru where dreams unfold, a city of wonder, a heart of gold. Through bustling streets and peaceful skies, Bengaluru rises where hope never dies. Where hope never dies. Bengaluru की मिट्टी में है सुकून, हर दिल यहाँ गुनगुनाता है धुन. गुनगुनाता है धुन, मेरे दिल यहाँ गुनगुनाता है धुन. मेरे दिल यहाँ गुनगुनाता है धुन. मेरे दिल यहाँ गुनगुनाता है धुन. ख्वाबों का शहर बेंगलुरु की बात, हर मोड़ पे मिलती है नई सौगात. In the city where the rain meets the land, Bengaluru's magic is gentle and grand. From misty mornings to the bustling street, it's a place where dreams and reality meet. Oh, Bengaluru where the skies are so high, the city of wonder where hopes never die. With every heartbeat and every breeze, Bengaluru whispers in the trees. Oh! फूलों में बसती है खुशबू यहाँ, हर दिल की धड़कन है जुदा यहाँ. From the old stone temples to modern rise, Bengaluru sparkles under moonlit skies. The rhythm of progress, the heart of change. In every soul there's something strange. Oh, Bengaluru where the skies are so high, the city of wonder where hopes never die. With every heartbeat and every breeze, Bengaluru whispers in the trees. Temples to modern rise, Bengaluru sparkles under moonlit skies. The rhythm of progress, the heart of change. In every soul there's something strange. Oh, Bengaluru where the skies are so high, the city of wonder where hopes never die. With every heartbeat and every breeze, Bengaluru whispers in the trees. Oh! सड़कों पे गूंजते हैं सपनों के तराने, यहाँ हर कदम में है नए अफसाने। It's in the smiles of those who greet, in the footsteps that fill every street. Bengaluru, your spirit is alive. In every corner, dreams arrive. Oh! Yeah, Bengaluru की मिट्टी, सपनों का जहां, यहाँ हर दिल कहता है, चलो आगे बढ़े। बेंगलुरु की मिट्टी, सपनों का जहां, यहाँ हर दिल कहता है चलो आगे बढ़े।
ख्वाबों की उड़ान बेंगलुरु का नाम, हर दिन यहाँ है नए in the heart of the south where the winds are free. Bengaluru stands in harmony, from ancient roots to modern grace. It's a city where cultures embrace. Bengaluru, where dreams take flight, a city of hope shining so bright. With every sunrise and every song, Bengaluru's spirit is all around. हर गली में है रोशनी की चमक, बेंगलुरु की रातें भी है अनगिनत. From Carbon Park to the bustling lanes, the pulse of progress always remains. In every cafe, in every smile, Bengaluru's charm stretches for miles. Bengaluru, where dreams take flight, a city of hope shining so bright. With every sunrise and every song, Bengaluru's spirit is all around. यहाँ की हवा में है जोश भरा, हर दिल यहाँ पर खुलकर हंसा. The lakes, the lights, the tech-filled skies, Bengaluru's magic never dies. With hearts so kind and minds so wide, this is the city where you find your guide. Bengaluru, where dreams take flight, a city of hope shining so bright. With every sunrise and every sound, Bengaluru's spirit is all around. Bengaluru की धड़कन, सपनों का नशा, यहाँ हर कोई है अपना सा.
सपनों की नगरी बेंगलुरु का आलम, हर धड़कन में छुपा है इसका सलाम. Where the sunrise kisses the morning dew, Bengaluru streets awake with something new. From coffee and cafes to the trees that sway, The city's rhythm flows through every day. Bengaluru, where the winds carry change. City of balance, bold and strange. From gardens of green to towers so tall. In Bengaluru, there's room for all. हवा में बसी है उम्मीदों की महक, हर गली में है जिंदगी की चहक. But the echo of history meets the future's call. Bengaluru rises, never to fall. From tech-filled dreams to tradition so bright, it's a dance of cultures, pure delight. Bengaluru, where the winds carry change. City of balance, bold and strange. From gardens of green to towers so tall. In Bengaluru, there's room for all. सड़कों पर बजते हैं जीवन के गीत, हर दिल में है यहाँ जीत की रीत. In the temples of old and the markets that hum, the spirit of Bengaluru will never succumb. With people who smile and hopes that grow, this is the city that always glows. Bengaluru, where the winds carry change. City of balance, bold and strange. From gardens of green to towers so tall. In Bengaluru, there's room for all. Bengaluru की धड़कन, अनमोल सितारे, यहाँ हर सपना है तैयार. धरती से आसमान तक फैली ये बस्ती, हर दिल में छुपी है एक नई हस्ती. Underneath the sky so vast and wide, Bengaluru breathes with vibrant pride. From sunrise walks to the sunset hues, every corner holds a story new. Bengaluru, where the skyline meets the dreams, a city alive with the rivers and streams. Through bustling days and quiet nights, Bengaluru shines in all its lights. Ooh. Bengaluru की हवा में है नई उड़ान, यहाँ हर सफर बनता है आसान. The tech that hums, the art that thrives. In Bengaluru, the spirit survives. From lakes of peace to the music loud, this is a city both humble and proud. Bengaluru, where the skyline meets the dreams, a city alive with rivers and streams. Through bustling days and quiet nights, Bengaluru shines in all its lights. Ooh. Bengaluru, where the skyline meets the dreams, a city alive with rivers and streams. Through bustling days and quiet nights, Bengaluru shines in all its lights. All its lights. Bengaluru, where the skyline meets the dreams, a city alive with rivers and streams. Ooh. The tech that hums, the art that thrives. In Bengaluru, the spirit survives. The tech that hums, the art that thrives. In Bengaluru, the spirit survives. From lakes of peace to the music loud, this is a city both humble and proud. Bengaluru, where the skyline meets the dream. kamal. In every step, there's progress found. In every smile, there's joy profound. With the past behind and the future ahead, Bengaluru's path is always spread. Bengaluru, where the skyline meets the dreams, a city alive with rivers and streams. Through bustling days and quiet nights, Bengaluru shines in all its lights. सपनों की नगरी, खुशियों का जहां, बेंगलुरु में हर कोई महान. Bengaluru, where the skyline meets the dreams, a city alive with rivers and streams. Bengaluru. आसमां में उड़ते हैं सपने, बहते हैं हवा में जैसे गीत के तराने. Like a heart of India, where the skies are blue, there's a city alive where dreams come true. From gardens so lush to the techie lights, Bengaluru shines in the day and the night in the night. Bengaluru, city of wonder and light, where the future and culture unite. In the winds you can feel it soar, this city's magic forevermore. हर कोने में है रंगों का मेला, बेंगलुरु की बातें हैं अलबेला. With temples so old and streets so new, the flavors of life blend in every view. From the bustling markets to silent lakes, Bengaluru's beauty never takes a break. Bengaluru, city of wonder and light, where the future and culture unite. In the winds you can feel it soar, this city's magic forevermore. यहाँ की हवा में है कुछ खास, सपने होते हैं यहाँ आस पास, पास पास. The people, the heart, they greet with grace. In every smile you find your place. The rhythm of progress, the dance of time. Bengaluru, your spirit's prime. Bengaluru, city of wonder and light, where the future and culture unite. In the winds you can feel it soar, this city's magic forevermore. Bengaluru की धरती, सपनों का जहां, यहाँ हर दिल बनता है महान. Bengaluru, यहाँ की हवा में कुछ खास, सपने होते हैं यहाँ आस पास. सपनों की नगरी, बेंगलुरु का जहां, हर पल में बसता है यहाँ एक नया समा. Under the sky, where the clouds drift high, Bengaluru sings as the days go by. From the bustling streets to the quiet parks, the city glows with a million sparks. Bengaluru, where the dreams come alive. In every heart, the spirit From sunrise to the setting sun, Bengaluru's journey has just begun. यहाँ हर सुबह है नई उम्मीदों का गीत, हर कदम में है बसी जिंदगी की जीत. The tech and the art blend in perfect rhyme. Bengaluru moves ahead with time. From the food that tempts to the music that plays, this city celebrates all its days. Bengaluru, where the dreams come alive. In every heart, the spirit will thrive. From sunrise to the setting sun, Bengaluru's journey has just begun. Bengaluru's journey has just begun. The tech and the art blend in perfect rhyme. Bengaluru moves ahead with time. From the food that tempts to the music that plays, this city celebrates all its days. Bengaluru, where dreams come alive. In every heart, the spirit will thrive. From sunrise to the setting sun, Bengaluru's journey has just begun. फूलों की घाटी, पत्थरों की मूरत, बेंगलुरु की हर सांस में है चाहत. In every corner a story unfolds, a future bright and a past that holds. Bengaluru, you're the heart of the land, a city of dreams that forever stand. Bengaluru, where the dreams come alive. In every heart, the spirit will thrive. From sunrise to the setting sun, Bengaluru's journey has just begun. Bengaluru की राहें, खुशियों की छाँव, यहाँ हर सपना है साकार हुआ.
सपनों की धरती, उगता सूरज, हर सुबहों में है यहाँ एक नया पल. Beneath the southern sky so wide, Bengaluru whispers where cultures collide. The gardens bloom and streets come alive, a city where the heartbeats thrive. Oh, Bengaluru, where the winds carry dreams, a city of light where everything gleams. From sunrise to moon's gentle glow, Bengaluru's spirit will always flow. सड़कों में गूंजते हैं किस्से पुराने, नई पीढ़ी रचती है अफसाने. From Nandi Hills to bustling tech streets, Bengaluru's soul in every heartbeat. Its legacy ancient, its future so bright, a city soaring towards endless heights. Oh, Bengaluru, where the winds carry dreams, a city of light where everything gleams. From sunrise to moon's gentle glow, Bengaluru's spirit will always flow. फूलों से भरे हैं यहाँ के बाग, शहर के कदमों में है राग. every turn there's a story to share. Bengaluru's magic is everywhere. Oh, Bengaluru, where the winds carry dreams. A city of light where everything gleams. From sunrise to moon's gentle glow, Bengaluru's spirit will always flow. सपनों के शहर में गीतों की धार, बेंगलुरु में सजी है अनोखी बहार। बेंगलुरु की धुन हर दिल में बसती, हर गली में एक नई बस्ती। Underneath the skies, where the clouds roam free, Bengaluru sings of possibility. From green gardens wide to the tech-filled zone, the city's beat is all its own. Bengaluru, where dreams take wing. In every corner, new hope spring. From ancient roots to futures bright, Bengaluru shines in morning light. हर सांस में बसी है तरंगा, बेंगलुरु की अपनी है धुन। Through the streets that hum with laughter and light, Bengaluru dances through day and night. From the quiet parks to the towers that soar, the city whispers always more. Bengaluru, where dreams take wing. In every corner, new hope spring. From ancient roots to futures bright, Bengaluru shines in morning light. सपनों के शहर का है हर दिन नया, यहाँ हर कदम पे है मंजिल मिला। With every footstep, a journey begins. In Bengaluru, the spirit wins. The pulse of progress, the heart of grace. In this city you find your place. Bengaluru, where dreams take wing. In every corner, new hope spring. From ancient roots to futures bright, Bengaluru shines in morning light. बेंगलुरु की धड़कन, हर दिल का गीत, यहाँ हर कोई है अपनों से मिली जीत।
बेंगलुरु की बाहों में हर कोई खुशहाल, सपनों की नगरी है ये अनमोल जाल. As the sun rises over the ancient trees, Bengaluru whispers through the gentle breeze. From vibrant markets to quiet cafes, the city dances in countless ways. Bengaluru, where love and hope collide. In every moment, joy can't hide. With every heartbeat, the city sings. Bengaluru's magic is in everything. हर शाम का जादू, बेंगलुरु की खुशबू है सबका फसाद. The streets are alive with stories to tell. In the heart of Bengaluru we all dwell. From tech innovation to culture so rich, the city's rhythm is hard to pitch. Bengaluru, where love and hope collide. In every moment joy can't hide. With every heartbeat the city sings. Bengaluru's magic is in everything. Love and hope collide. In every moment joy can't hide. With every heartbeat the city sings. Bengaluru's magic is in everything. हर सुबह की रौनक, लहरशंदगानी, बेंगलुरु की खुश है जैसे नई कहानी. From sunrise hues to the evening glow, Bengaluru's heart beats steady and slow. In every face, in every song, this is the place where we all belong. Bengaluru, where love and hope collide. In every moment joy can't hide. With every heartbeat the city sings. Bengaluru's magic is in everything. गोद में सब है एक साथ. यहाँ हर मन है खुशियों की बात. सुबह की किरण, बेंगलुरु की पहचान. हर कदम में बसा है यहाँ एक अरमान. In the dawn, as the city awakes, Bengaluru rise with the paths it takes. From the busy streets to the silent hills, the city's heart beats always still. Bengaluru, where the future is bright. A city of hope and endless light. Every challenge, through every day, Bengaluru finds a brand new way. हर लम्हा यहाँ है जादू से भरा. बेंगलुरु में हर कोई है अपना सा. The gardens bloom, the lakes reflect, a city of growth, full of respect. From innovation spark to traditions glow, Bengaluru's magic continues to grow. Bengaluru, where the future is bright. A city of hope and endless light. Through every challenge, through every day, Bengaluru finds a brand new way. हर गली में छुपी है एक नई कहानी. बेंगलुरु में हर कोई है जानी. There's a vision strong in every heart. The city belongs. From the pulse of progress to the songs of peace, Bengaluru's wonders never cease. Bengaluru, where the future is bright. A city of hope and endless light. every challenge, through every day, Bengaluru finds a brand new way. बेंगलुरु की सड़कों पर है रंगीन मेला, यहाँ हर दिल में बसा है एक सपना अलबेला।